Hello and welcome to Spangdahlem Middle School tutorial on the Google Classroom. So, where do I even start? How do I find the Google Classroom? First things first is you're going to go ahead and open up your Google. On the right-hand side, you're going to see a checkered board and you're going to click on that, also known as the Google Apps. And you're going to look for the Google Classroom. You might have to scroll down a bit, and here's the Google Classroom. So here are 3 classes set up for this particular tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and click on this block. So the teacher has set it up as this block E5, 7th U.S. History. If you click on this little, right here in the center, click on this, it's going to tell you some information that the teacher might want to share. So it has the class times and the office hours of that particular teacher. When you come into the stream is like a chalkboard, and this is where the teacher is going to give information out. So for example, congratulations to our honor roll students was sent out to the stream. Here's a reminder of where to find the seminar link to go for office hours and help. If you notice on the left-hand side, we've got some upcoming things that are due and some things that are due on Thursday. So that's one of the first things that you can see in stream. If you click View All, it's going to show all the assignments. We've got assigned and missing, and we do have one that was turned in. Now, if you want to look at just what's assigned, you can click that filter. If you want to click ones that were returned with a grade, we've got that one, or we've got a missings. So we can go back to our stream, and here we are again. Now let's go up to the top. On the top, we have the stream, which we're currently in, and it opens up into the Google Classroom. You have classwork and people. If we click on classwork, this is where the teacher's assignments are going to be for that particular day. For example, this teacher, assignments week 4 through 7 May. So you can scroll down and see all the assignments. On the left, all the topic assignments are listed. Again, you can click View Your Work, and it'll bring up what's been assigned and what's missing. So let's go back to classwork. Again, we're in our stream, hit classwork. All right, let's look at the Google Calendar. Since most of our students don't have their agendas and we're finding out that students are getting lost on what's due and what's not due, the first time you enter this, it's going to ask you to set up the calendar. You're going to want to say yes. But as you can see here, we've got some assignments due for English language, which is Miss Hacker. This class that we're currently in, the E5 block, is blue, and then a B2 block is black. So not only will it show you assignments that are due in the class, it color codes it, and it lets you know. So you're adding that calendar. Now your student can look at the calendar. Now you can also change it over here on the right-hand side from the month. You can make it what they have due for the week. You can change today. So however your student and you feel comfortable setting up that calendar. So we're going to go back to the classroom, and we're going to go back, we're in classwork. We have the Google Drive and the Classroom Drive folder. Something really neat about Google is when you have a class, it already makes a classroom folder. So for this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my drive so people can see. So here's my drive, and it's got a feature called Classrooms. And if we click on that, the 3 classes that this student has joined has the 3 classroom folders there. This is to help your child and your child to stay organized. So if we click on that, we did a test little map, and that was dropped in to that block. So that way students don't lose their work. It's all in one spot. So again, you went into the classroom, and that was found over here on the right-hand side for the classroom drive. The other thing is if your students maybe are working on a group project and they want to email their classmates and or their teacher, you click on people and they can email anybody in the classroom. So let's go, some of the students were having issues with how to turn stuff in. So let's go ahead and look at something. let's look at notes on the union. So if you click on that, let's bring this down, you're going to see the assignment. So let's go ahead and view on the assignment. So for this particular assignment, if you see on the right-hand side, this is where students turn work in. This particular assignment has been made worth 15 points. It's been assigned, and your work. Now, you can make a copy. We'll go ahead and just copy this. So now I have a copy with my name on it. I'm Gavin Solomon right now, and you can click on that, and we can go ahead and we can start typing in here, test, just like that. All right, now it's been saved into his drive, but it's also still right here, so we're back in the classroom. We want to go ahead and we can hit turn it in. We need to make sure that that document is there. If that document is not there, for example, we can add and create. We can go to our Google Drive where our class folders are. It'll show you your most recent, but we want to go to My Drive. I want to go to the classroom. I'm in the fifth block, so I'm going to click on that. And let's upload, say it was this assignment. So we're going to hit Add. And here you hit Turn It In. Do I really want to turn this in? Absolutely, turn it in. So it will upload, and if they made a mistake and they need to unsubmit, you can unsubmit. Yep. You can unsubmit, and say we want to add a doc. So it's going to upload a doc, and we're just going to call it test again, just to make it easy. And we're going to go back to the classrooms, and because we open it up there, we're going to turn this in. Are we sure? Yes, we want to turn in all 3 of these. So what's going to happen now is the teacher's going to get an email that says that Gavin turned in his work, and you can see now it's been turned in, and there are documents here on the right-hand side. Sometimes students forget to upload documents, and they'll click turn it in, and then their teacher will email them. And if you want, your student can email a little message to their teacher here, a private comment, or I didn't understand. And the teacher will respond here as well. And this is a private conversation between the student and the teacher. All right, I think that those are some of the little tips that'll help you and your child be more successful. Please reach out to us if you have any other questions, and we hope that you are safe and healthy. Thank you.